Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Hacker7. If you guys are new to my channel, I'd highly recommend you guys to subscribe for more tech tips. Now, in YouTube's recent updates, they've added this feature whereas if you're watching a video and you click on the screen, you have to X off in order to get back the video on screen. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix that. So let's say you're watching a video, right? Or let me let that play and then I'll skip the ad. Okay, so let's say you're watching a video, right? And you pause the video for a second. Usually you could tap anywhere on the screen and it would basically fade out those controls. But in their recent updates, it basically won't allow you to do such a thing. So I'm going to show you guys how you could change back the settings in order to avoid getting stuck on the screen and have to press the X each time you have this issue. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to click on your profile icon. You'd want to go to settings. Now in settings, you would look for accessibility. Now this is the control which controls that player. So what you'd want to do, you could auto hide after every 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or you could simply disable the controls. So let me go back. If I should play the same video, as you can see, basically hid and I don't have to press the X. Now you could set it to auto hide after 3 seconds or so on. So let me set that to 3 seconds. Let me play the video again. And as you can see, it came off screen by itself. So that is how you could go about getting rid of that annoying controls being stuck on the screen in the latest updates for YouTube. So I hope this tutorial was informative. Thank you guys for watching and keep subscribed for more tech tips. Hacker7 out.